Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make lemon, chilies and garlic pickle. This is very instant recipe and this pickle is very tasty also, and this pickle will last for about many months. So let's start making it. And before starting this video, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. Please like, share and comment. And guys, I want to show you one thing more. Please download my app if you want to directly access my channel. So link is given in description. You can directly access my videos through that app. So let's start making this pickle. For making this lemon, chilies and garlic pickle, I have cut down the lemon into these small sizes, and I have cut them after soaking them into sunlight for approximately 1 day. Here I have cut down the green chilies into 2 vertical slices, and I have cut down the ginger into also the vertical slices. So let's start making it. Firstly, I'm adding these garlic and green chilies to my lemon. Now I need to add salt. I'm adding approximately half tablespoon of salt in this, and less than half tablespoon of turmeric powder. You can increase the quantity of salt according to your taste. And chilies, green chilies are there, so we don't need to add chilies, red chilies. Now I'm adding approximately 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I have taken kitchen promise vinegar. So, and the secret ingredient I'm adding here, that is the rest of the mango pickle. I have some mango pickle whose oil and some foam is rest here. So you can see I'm adding just 2 tablespoons of this, 1 and 2. So this is the special ingredient to make this instant lime, chilies and garlic pickle. So mix all the ingredients well so that they will soak all the lemons and all the salt and all the ingredients well. Mix all these ingredients well properly. You can mix them with the help of your hand. You can see that these ingredients will well mixed into this pickle, and this pickle will ready to eat after 2 days approximately. The lemon start the outer surface of lemon start softening, then you can eat. And the ginger and also green chilies are ready to eat at present time also, but it will get more tastier after 2 days. And vinegar will last this pickle for about many months. So add this vinegar. And also guys, you can squeeze the lemons over it, and so that it will get more sour. It will taste more sour when you squeeze some lemon over it. So you can fill this lemon on a, you need to fill this pickle into a glass bowl and a glass jar. So I'm filling it in a jar, and then I will serve it with my chapatis or my food after 2 days. So please, if you like my recipe, please get my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it guys. And you can download my app also, Damini's Kitchen. Link is given in description. You can directly access my channel through that app, and you can directly access my videos also. So thanks for watching guys.